Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about operation on sets. Okay? So in arithmetic, we have operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division that enable us to combine numbers. Now in sets, we have the intersection, union, difference, and complement of a set. So i-discuss muna natin itong intersection, union, at saka difference of a set. Yung complement, next video na naman yan kasi mahaba-haba konti yan. Okay, so first we have intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B written as A intersection of B or intersect B, or the intersection of set A and set B is a set of elements that are members of both A and B. Okay, so example tayo. So example, yung given natin, set A, so yung element niya or yung members ng set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos si set B, 2, 4, 6. Then set C, 1, 3, and 5. Okay, so we will find the intersection of A and B, intersection of set A and set C, and intersection of set B and set C. Okay, so letter A, yung intersection ng set A, yung symbol ng intersection, yung pabaliktad na U, equals, so ibig sabihin ng intersection, balikan natin yung definition niya, is a set of elements that are members of both A and B. So members ng element ng both A and B. Okay, so halimbawa A or the intersection of A and B, so yung element ng A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pero si 1 wala kay B, di ba? So, yung meron kay A at saka meron din kay B is first element is 2. Yan. At saka yan. Okay? 3 wala kay B. So, next is 4. Yan. Meron kay A, meron din kay B. So, 4. And the last one, 5. Walang 5 si B, di ba? So, 6. Si 6 at si B meron ding 6. So, 2, 4, 6. Yun ang intersection ng set A at saka set B. Okay? Next, number or letter B. Yung intersection naman ng set A at saka set C. Okay? So, set A, ito pa rin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set C, 1, 3, 5. So, yung intersection nila, 1, merong 1 kay set A. Okay? Then, 3, merong 3 kay set A. Walang 2 kay set C, di ba? So, 3. Next, 4, wala. So, 5. Set, yung element na 5 at saka element na 5 kay C. So, meron sila. Next na. Okay? So, therefore, yung element ng, or intersection ng set A at saka set C ay 1, 3 at saka 5. Next, letter C. Yung intersection naman ng set B at saka set C. Okay, so yung intersection nila, set B, ito yung set B, 2, 4, 6. Set C is 1, 3, 5. So, wala silang intersection. So, kapag walang intersection, ibig sabihin yan, empty set. Or, sulat yung empty, symbol ng empty set or null set. Okay, next. Example number 2. Set A, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, at saka 36. So, yung B, Yung element niya, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Set C, 2, 4, 8, at saka 16. Okay, so ngayon, we will find letter A, yung intersection ng A at saka B, or set A at saka B. Sa letter B, intersection ng A, set A at saka set C. And letter C, intersection ng B at saka C, or set B at saka set C. Okay, letter A muna tayo. So the intersection of set A at saka set B, or A intersect B, that is equal to, so ano yung intersection ng A at saka B? 1, merong 1 si A, meron ding 1 si B. Okay? 4, wala. 3, wala. 5, wala. 7, wala. 9, merong 9. Okay, yun ang intersection nila. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So, kapag wala na, yun lang yung kanilang intersection. Okay, so 1 at saka 9. Letter B, intersection ng set A at saka set C. Hindi ako marunong magsulat ng set. So, anong intersection ng set A at saka set C? 1, wala kay C. 4, yes, meron kay C. Dapat meron kay A, meron din kay C. Okay? 9, wala. 8, wala. 16, yes, 16 kay A, meron din 16 kay C. 25, wala. 36, wala na kay C. So, therefore, yung intersection ng A at saka set C ay 4 at saka 16. Next, we have letter C. Yung intersection ng set B at saka set C. Okay? So, yung intersection ng set B at saka C, ito yung B, ito yung C. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Dito naman sa kabila, 2, 4, 8, 16. So, wala silang intersection. Kasi si set B ay lahat ay odd numbers. Ito naman si set C, lahat ay even numbers. So, wala silang intersection. So, kapag walang intersection, ibig sabihin yan, empty set or null set. Ayan. So, next na muna natin i-discuss yung ibang, yung union at saka yung difference kasi mahaba-haba na yung, natin. Nasa 8 minutes na tayo. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.